Air and fluids are two essential parts of the equation that keeps your engine running every time you turn the key. While your engine needs these materials to function properly, filters are also needed to keep pollutants out of your engine as air and fluids run through it. To put it simply, your engine needs filters to stay clean, and Toyota of Orlando is here to explain the ins and outs of this crucial car part. When it comes to keeping your engine clean and free of pollutants, we use filters to get the job done. We use a variety of these to filter things like airflow, exhaust fumes, and various engine fluids. Air filters are used to filter the air flowing into the engine and cabin. Air is used to cool the engine and assist in the combustion process. To keep the engine working properly, filters remove the bulk of the debris and pollutants in the air. After a certain amount of time, the filter will need to be replaced or at least cleaned. Oil filters are another crucial component to keeping your ride working. Oil can pick up debris as it flows through the engine. To solve this issue, oil filters provide a route for the oil to flow and rid it of pollutants to keep your engine healthy. Perhaps the largest filter in your ride is in your exhaust system. This huge component runs from the engine compartment and ends at the tailpipe, filtering exhaust fumes all the way. This keeps harmful emissions down and optimizes the combustion process for better fuel efficiency and proper acceleration. Filters keep everything clean in your ride and keep everything working. Make sure you always have them checked during your auto service appointments to see if they need to be cleaned or replaced. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Becoming an Auto Service Expert. If you need help with anything auto service, come visit us at Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Vineland Road today.